Hey, what's going on, everybody? All right, so I finally got an e-bike. This is my very first one, and I just wanted to make a quick review, like I do whenever I get something new. But I wanted to make a quick review, just kind of let you guys know my experience with it. If you like what you hear, then maybe you can get your own. All right, so as you can see, we're on HOTEBIKE.com. The link to this webpage is under this video in the description area. If you use that link, you'll be able to take advantage of the sales that they have going on at this website. And I will show you some of the coupon codes, or one of the coupon codes that you'll be able to use if you click that link. And you can do that now, or you can wait until I'm finished with the video to click that link. So this is the bike that I ended up getting. I didn't like stumble upon this bike through a bunch of research or whatever. I was literally out at the park with my girlfriend. There was a guy riding one. We saw him ride around a few different times, and we just happened to stop him and say, "Hey, what is that?" I see, because it looked like a regular bike, but then I kind of noticed that it was an e-bike, and he kind of told me what that all meant and which one to get, where he got his from, and this is where he got it from, and this is the one that he suggested. So fortunately for me, it was on sale. I was able to use a promo code to sign up or to purchase it or whatever. It took the price down some. But as you can see, the price is over $1,000. To me, that was the biggest deterrent, but I figured that I would at least get the bike, do a review, like use the bike or whatever, do a review, and then return it and get my money back. But it's actually been 2 weeks now, and I still have the bike. And I don't actually plan on returning the bike because I actually enjoy it that much. The original intention was to use it like when we're out taking our walks at state parks and stuff like that. We'll be able to use this on and do the bike trails instead. We can see more of the park in a day and not be so tired. So that was kind of the goal in using it. It was $1,000 investment, and to be honest with you, I don't regret it, which is surprising to me. The worst part about this thing was the assembly. That took us around an hour and a half to put it together, even though some of the electronic parts come put together already. But it took us around an hour and a half, and there were times where we got stuck and there was nowhere to go for information except for to call customer service. But their customer service is great. I will give them that. But for the most part, that was the most intimidating part of the bike. Once I got it out on the road and did a road test or whatever, it's very cool. They have a throttle here on the handlebars, so it feels like you're riding a motorcycle. They have this cool LCD display that shows you like your miles per hour and all that type of stuff. For a bike, that's just new to me. It kind of feels like an exercise bike in that sense, where they have the display, the higher quality exercise bikes or whatever. And that's pretty much it for me. It's quiet, it moves fast. And the other thing was the hills, because that's what we were asking him. How does it handle on the hills? And he says it rides perfect. That's why he suggested this, the 36 volt, 350 watt one. He says it handles pretty well, and so far that's my experience as well. I'm waiting for her to get hers so that we can we can do our rides together. But it's $1,000, so she's taking a little longer than I would because I make reviews and stuff. So I was a little more incentivized to get it. But yeah, other than that, to me, it fits the purpose. Like I said, I didn't find this thing through a bunch of heavy research and comparison. So I don't really know about the specs compared to anything else. I just know this is my first one and I love it. And even though I paid $1,000, I want to keep the bike. And to me, that says everything, even though I'm a novice at this or whatever. So yeah, that's my take on the bike. I've seen other e-bikes. I've seen the city bikes. I don't like how some of the bikes are so bulky because of the battery pack or whatever. This one is very slim. As you can see, it looks like a regular old mountain bike. It looks like a regular mountain bike. And that's pretty much what I wanted. Besides the display, it looks like a regular old mountain bike. Oh yeah, here is the coupon code. If you use the link below this video, you'll be able to take advantage of whatever sale is going on. And be able to use that coupon code there. So I wanted to show you one last thing too. The LCD, that's what it was. So as you can see here, this is pretty much what it looks like, and it gives you all the details. This is like, I don't know, maybe I'm a big kid or whatever. I just think that this is cool. But this tells you the miles per hour. You got the battery life. You have the motor strength. If you want to set like a trip, what is it called? The trip distance or whatever. That's what this is. It tells you the temperature outside, tells you what gear you're in. It's pretty cool. And this is, yeah, that's another angle of the bike there. So, no, it's not switching for some reason. But yeah, that's another angle of the bike, or a closer view. I think it's really cool, and I just like having it. It's like having a little motorcycle where I didn't pay motorcycle prices. I don't have to put gas in it, but it gets me to where I need to go. And this, when I don't want to use my car, or when we go to the state parks or whatever, I can always just use this thing. I just think that that's very convenient. And hopefully in the future she'll get hers, and then we can ride together. And I think that'll be cool as well. So yeah, that concludes my review. I think I mentioned that it was waterproof. The battery is waterproof. The engine's waterproof. You just can't like submerge it in water. So if you use this like as a commuter bike, you can still ride it in the rain and not have any worries or whatever. I don't plan on riding my bike in the rain at all. I don't plan on going to the state park on a rainy day. So, but if you were to need to ride your bike in the rain, you're able to do that. So yeah. And all the parts come with a 1-year warranty. I don't know if I mentioned that. All the electronic parts come with a 1-year warranty. So yeah. All right, so that's pretty much it. Like I said, if you use the link below, you can take advantage of the coupon codes and the discounts that are available. Other than that, I hope you find what you were looking for the same way I did. You can always just click the link below, do your own research, and then make your own informed decision after that. But thank you guys and girls for watching my video. I appreciate your time and attention, and I'll see you in another one. All right, peace.